In today's session, let's see how can we add a Python extension to the Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code, go here and search for Python. And here you can see Python and click on install. It's installing. When you install Python, automatically Python debugger will also be installed. And like once it's installed, like you can create a file and start working with Python. It's still installing. Yeah, installation is completed, and once the installation is completed, you can start creating with the Python file. This is a Python file, it's not saved, and you can start with your coding. This is how you can add an extension in Visual Studio Code. There are other tools also like PyCharm and other tools where we work with Python, but here in Visual Studio Code, this is how we add an extension to the Python.